Hey everyone, today I am going to be organizing my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks and decluttering some of them. So if you guys want to see how I organize and stuff, then just keep watching. As you guys can see, I have a lot of stuff that shouldn't even be in this drawer, but I just kind of end up putting stuff in drawers and forgetting about it. So those are like the majority of my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I do have a lot more that are on my vanity, but these are just in the drawer altogether so that if I want to wear a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, I know where they are. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm going through every lipstick, organizing it the way I want to, and then deciding if I want to keep it or not. I'm Shook is a shade that I am decluttering because I don't need it, and basically that's it. Like, I don't have anything against the color, I just don't need it. So these are lipsticks from the new collection. I'm obviously keeping these. I'm just trying to decide where I want them to go. I kind of like having collections together and then colors together. So as you guys can see, I have like the winter collections together, and then I have like purple lipsticks all together, and that's kind of how I like to organize them. But the top row is just honestly like stuff just put together. So I am decluttering Human Nature just because it's a dark shade that I don't need. It's pretty, but don't need it. I'm also decluttering Watermelon Soda because it's just not a shade that I wear. It is in the yellow cap, but I just don't need this shade. I'm also decluttering Pumpkin Pie because it's a permanent shade, so if I want it, I can go get it, but I just don't need this. I have so many shades like this, so I thought I'd give it to someone who would get better use out of it. I am going to show you guys a comparison between Venus Flytrap and the green from the summer collection. I like both of these. I wouldn't wear these on my lips because they are a bit patchy that way. I like using them as liquid liner. I love neon, vibrant, fun shades like this, but as you guys can see, they are totally different. Venus Flytrap is more of a neon green, whereas the other shade is more of like a very yellow based green, and it is a bit more patchy, not gonna lie. Going to declutter poinsettia because I just don't need it. It is a very pretty shade, but I can honestly just get it again in the normal packaging, so I'm not heartbroken. I decided that I'm going to declutter the White Cap lipstick in doll parts because these go for like a decent amount of money to collectors, so I decided to let someone else have it to complete their collection because I don't need it. This is how everything looks all organized. I'm never sure if I want to keep the mini lipsticks, but I keep them in case I want to do eyeliner and stuff. I do love the Velour liquid lipstick formula. Like, they're my favorite liquid lipstick ever. These are the shades that I'm decluttering, so I think I did a pretty good job. I usually never declutter them, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!